Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at the Quick Find and Advanced Search feature. On the home screen in the top right hand corner you'll see a large magnifying glass. This is the Quick Search feature. If you click on it you will see it brings up 4 options for you to search, and I will demonstrate each one. If you are looking for a particular animal, all you need to do is input an ear tag number or a management tag. In this example, I will search for an animal which has an ear tag number ending in 4895. If we then click the small magnifying glass on the right hand side, as you can see, this has then brought up the animal that I was searching for. It is exactly the same principle if you're wanting to search for a sheep. We click the magnifying glass and input a partial number of the tag. In this example, I will use 78526. If we then click the small magnifying glass, you can see that the program has then found the tag number that we were searching for. You can use the same skills to search for products or fields. If I look to search for the medicine Ivomac, we go to product, type in Ivomac, and we click search. The program has then brought up all the information relating to Ivomac. We can do the same for a field. If we look at top meadow and we click search, once again the program has found the field that we were searching for. You can adjust these settings to suit how you personally use the program. If you right click on the magnifying glass and choose Quick Search Settings, a new dialog box will appear. The default focus means that when you use the Quick Search feature, it will default to always being in that specific box. If we click Save and then the magnifying glass, you will see the cursor is in the cattle field. If we wish to change that to sheep, we change the setting to sheep and save. If we now click the magnifying glass, you'll notice the cursor has now appeared in the sheep field. You'll have also noticed the auto clear. This feature allows you to either retain or clear the previous information you have input into the fields. If I leave the auto clear ticked and perform any search, this will bring up the animals that we have searched for. If we go back and click on the search again, you will notice the fields are now all empty. If we change the setting and untick the auto clear box and press save and then perform any search, this brings up the information you have asked the program to find. If we click it again, you will see the information from the previous search has now been retained. Another way of searching for an animal is to use the filters on the grid. For this example, I will concentrate on the cattle. All you need to do, if you're looking for animals with a particular status, is hover over the empty box, which will then offer you the opportunity for a drop-down menu. If you then select the animals that you would like, in this example I'll use bull calf, the program has filtered all the animals which are bull calves. If we look at changing this to a heifer, once again the program has filtered all the animals which are only heifers. To go back to the original screen with all animals, we just click any. You can also use this method if you're looking for animals within a certain range. For example, if you're looking for a range of animals between a certain date of birth. We would go to the empty box above date of birth, we would right click and click range. This then brings up the box for you to input the dates of the range that you would like the program to find. In this example, I will use the 1st of September 2024 to the 1st of October 2024. If we then click OK, as you can see, the program has now filtered all the animals you wish to see within the range that you have asked. To remove the range filter, all you need to do is right click on the empty box above the column and clear filter. This will then take you back to your original on-farm screen. Another function the program offers to search for cattle is to use the find function, which is located at the top of your screen. If we click find and then cattle search, this brings up a new screen which can be used for more detailed and complex searches. If you begin by selecting a column from the drop-down menu, in this example we'll use breed, and click the green plus sign, this will then bring up the breed list where you can ask the program to filter these specific animals. In this example I will use Aberdeen Angus, an Aberdeen Angus cross, and an Australian lowline and an Australian lowline cross. If we click count, you can see the program has said that it has found 305 matches. But we would like a much more detailed search. So we can then click on the drop down menu again to find another column that we would like to add. If we find date of birth and click add again, you can see it has brought up another option. Because we would like to find a range, we need to choose between and then choose two dates. In this example, I will choose the 1st of August 2024 until the 4th of December 2024. If we look at the count now, the program has found 30 matches, but we can make this search even more detailed. If we choose on farm status and then add the search, you can see that this has then brought up another section. If we click on and count, we're down to 21 matches now. If we untick that and choose off but still owned, we've got no matches. If we click on, count, but then search, the program will bring up all the animals who fall within that search criteria. If you would like to remove some of the searches, we go back to find and cattle search. We can remove these individually by clicking the small red cross. Or if you wish to remove all the searches, in the top right hand corner you'll find the eraser. If you click the eraser, you'll see all the searches have now gone. Hopefully, some of the things you have watched will help you maximise your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.